Hi Turf Monkeys, it's Coach Eric. I hope everyone's having a fun summer. I'm here with Ben. We're just going to go through our individual ball touch drills. I'm hoping that you guys can follow this video and go through these 10 different skills each day. If you do this complete sequence, you'll get 200 touches on the ball, and if you do that each day, you'll come to your first practice ready to go with lots of good skills to work from. Okay, so this will be something similar to what we do every day in practice. The first one is the tick-tock. That's what we start with. So Ben will go back and forth inside of the foot, and he's just going to go 20 touches. You're working on quick feet here, quick feet. Okay, next one is just the toe taps with the stationary ball. "17, 18, 19, 20. And now Ben's going to do the same thing but pull back. So these are the pullbacks. Again, just working on quick feet, ball in control. Now I do the same thing, but I'm going to go forward, slight touch each time. "20. Okay, now we're going to do the V's. So pull back and switch it across in front of you. The ball is making a V shape. And same thing, you're going for quick feet, good ball control. You're just working on that touch of the ball so you're comfortable with what the ball feels like. So this is real similar. Now the L's, I pull it back and switch it behind my leg. 8, 3, 4, 5. 15. And 20. Okay, now Ben is going to do pull back and push forward with the laces. So you kind of tuck your toe down each time and push it forward. You want to work on soft feet, just giving the ball a slight nudge. Okay, the next one is the messy. So just as a refresher, it's inside, outside, inside, outside. 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And 20. Okay, then we'll do the ball dance. So go slow first so they can watch the sequence. And behind the foot. So that's 2, 3, good. 12. 15. And 20. Okay, now if you have a partner, you can just do one touch passing back and forth 40 times. If you don't have a partner, then just do juggling by yourself, and just make sure to get up to about 40 touches on the ball, and that'll complete your 200 reps. So here we go, one touch passing. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 6, 37, 38, 39, and 40. Okay, that's it. So once again, we'd ask that you do that through the whole sequence through each day. It should take you less than 5 minutes, and we're looking forward to see everyone on the first day of practice.